Fake news alert.
Now, my woman is causing this from Bengui. We come on Bengui today. You come on Bengui, say you go Bamenda.
I think say when I don't hear this audio, when I don't hear the audio where it circulate for WhatsApp mainly for some person where they claim say ADF arrest, so a person kidnap man no use arrest because arrest na illegal one. Now one way you get justification. Say ADF kidnap some woman, take and go for a lab and AD claim say them put some picture them. Now fake news. The Cameroon government with their paid agents and where they inside the struggle, they don't be so desperate for proof say ADF also corrupt. ADF they also want chop money, they had them they chop money. So all we bad, all Ambazonian people them for diaspora bad, all their leader them bad, all the forces them na kidnappers and criminals, petty criminals. So that all they will join, all we put inside one pot, spoil the whole soup for our independence, for on behalf of our people. The one are just complete lie. The ADF never get any case like this one. Each case we don't come for ground zero, we involve our soldier them. The people that they contact me directly, Capo Daniel, they know my office. Na me DDC, I coordinate all our activity them across the territory with our superior, our ranks and files, and our generals, our commanders them. Na me I they handle them. No one never go case we never day we never pass through my office. So the boy way they make the audio na lie. He never provide any evidence. And when una they hear audio, make una not believe them in face value. Una count on the official channels of communication for the Ambazonian Defense Forces for get credible information for what will happen. We are transparent and we are accountable to you. We do not hide anything under the sun. Una listen for Lucas, una listen for Pascal Kiki, Akosong Raymond, Bella Franklin, and all our officials and affiliates channels, and we will communicate with una. This case na a complete lie. I'll give una even a case me una know say we handle things them properly. And first thing what I want to do before I want talk about this one, now say me gonna understand say criminal activities and armed gangs they exist before this war start. Definitely in the chaos of a war will La Republic be ultimately responsible for. Criminal gangs that are increase their activities, some that they get even do them in partnership with La Republic, as we una be see one will be born that gendarme station for we be there for up station. We free four civilians they be done kidnap them for down Bamenda, cover their face, go keep an inside gendarme station. Then 4 of them they will release them for day. So even Frundi they don't testify, people the way they not be in our support, they don't testify say Cameroon military be involved for some kidnapping for ransom. You give it to they call them for Bamenda, say calling, even from Boya did it. Where they use prisoner them for kidnap and then use them for call, family them, intimidate them for get money. So there is thieves. Make will not ever consider thieves and armed groups where they want impose themselves as Ambazonian forces like real Ambazonian forces. It's different. We have to be fair to the people who are carrying gun to fight for us. So make will not be quick for join. Even the barrister, the magistrate, where they be kidnapping, torture, wrong for UK, he still go stand Nakchesi stand for Ambazonian independence. So make we begin mind, we'll be careful with the type of our choice of word. Anytime we hear some crime that happen, they just talk say, nah, that boy them, na amba. No. So this person, when any man can talk, wait till we happen for you, be the man bring proof. Because leadership is being known, number then the way all man fi call them, when I know a soldier them, no be people, no be foreigner them. Now people they picking them for a corner day. All man get Ambazonian fighter the way they fit contact and when they get problem. The case way happen for inside around Tanka day for inside Bamenda, where the ADF come for around that area. No be ADF will not get calm them. Those names and just be symbolic because our forces then are gorilla. They're not there for those symbolic areas. For inside Tanka day after La Republic raid a safe house, a safe location, we will lost 4 of our soldiers at the time we Lion E4 with 3 of our picking them for day. Some gang then take advantage for that period. They enter for inside Tanka, they then arrest one doctor. When I see them put that doctor information for Human Rights Watch because the international community don't wait now. Do one error where ADF make them, they will jump onto that one. So he come out, then publish the story We don't talk for that. We don't send our forces. They don't come for that man in house. They don't interview you. We don't investigate. We don't identify the picking the way they be do that rough work. No be ADF soldier them. Now picking the way they come on rifle barefoot. Now first the way they rifle barefoot. These Sakoi people then they can't do that kidnapping. I go play some of those audio them for now. Make una hear for una ear the conversation the way it go. We even make sure say me that man get the money. We be done talk say if that man be kidnapped by ADF, we go pay back that money. No be one time we know talk say ADF be perfect. We don't get instances where ADF soldier don't seize person their phone. That phone then be returned. We don't get instance where ADF also involved for kidnapping for ransom. We don't reprimand those soldiers, we punish them and make sure say me they return their money. So make una be sure say ADF get structure where all general and DD, all man they supervise each other. When case come, all man they look into. While leadership then DD will get a code of conduct where them ban kidnapping for ransom. And we, the officials them who talk on behalf of all those soldiers them and the ADF, we don't talk say a soldier where they do kidnapping for ransom is worse than a black leg. So this one an assurance for now. Say we need to do kidnapping for ransom. Our soldiers they need to use kidnapping for innocent civilians as a means for raise funds. If then catch any man, that means that man he don't commit a crime, he don't commit treason, then they feel arrest somebody. They no go kidnap innocent man where they don't do a thing they can't catch you for take money. Those instances the way that happen for Bamenda, now either gangs them or the Sakoi group they come out right from Bafut, including Alhaji. Oh, na know Alaji on many of those groups them, but we try for talk for them because no say most of those people them, no be even Sakoi group themselves. Even though we record and says Sakoi group, them no be Sakoi group them. They just want use this struggle for do their kidnapping for ransom day and a big issue for Bafut. I talk I mean all man know and a big issue for Bafut. Some picking they even come out for Douala day they can't join that their brother and for they go do kidnapping for can't take money go start business. It need for stop. It need for stop. We cannot exploit our own people. We cannot allow people to use the name of the struggle. So Sako they don't talk say na soldier them. The boy and today they don't talk say they work with the Sako because they don't want to use that legitimacy for legitimize their criminal activities. How many times I don't see that particular people then go attack La Republique? Some of them where they actually fight against La Republique, that way then fall under this structure them. Then see how they don't misuse them. They start turning to kidnapping for ransom as well. So in a both way, this will be very fair for everybody for know. So they talk. I'll play some of the audio them. These are audios from our ADF. So we're gonna hear for the case for this man where the doctor where they be catchy taking money for around tanker begin talking na ADF soldier then do am.
They think them. They picking them no be our own picking them no be soldier them for here. Una me they talk ask that man. He go tell you na side where they be hold that man. How be the what I be tell me say be they leave quarter and then they meet up with them. They carry it go with them na for that side for what na. He be they tell me say na for side.
I say that 300,000 grand. Everything I doctor tanker too na that debate and come over who can take down man. Na that debate and come over who can take down man. So do I talk to na tanker do na that debate and come over who can take that doctor inside tanker. Go and so they give them 300,000.
That one multiple soldier them for ADF for Bamenda Brigade. We will be done talk for them about that particular issue. We'll decide for dispatch our anti-kidnapping group, make them visit that particular doctor for find out exactly what will happen. This one, the encounter for that doctor after this Human Rights Watch, their report and multiple media report, even including Mimi for this incident. Now I encountered this with the subject.
Good afternoon. So yes, time for Britney Small. What will happen? You stay for which place? You work for a site and what will be the reason why they be cut?
So I be doctor. I do work for some.
I go keep out some sensitive information them for security reasons. So now listen.
Saturday I be the go town. So I take that down Bush Road because my house there for this for the other side. So as I reach for that empty place, so just before you come up with the Anchor Junction, I be noticed and see some bikes day for day, but no man no day. So first of all, you be suspicious. Say sometimes the people they get the bike, they hide. And since I don't know, say me boy and they where they worry, I would just suspect say if he been at them. So I still just go me back. I be go. I just look, say whether I go see some person go come out, but I don't know how fast they ride. They just come out very fast.
So now here, even the person they talk say they know some of those boys the way they do that kidnapping, where they worry according to which way they talk 'em.
They didn't for which camp. They come on on the day na under who. They say the day na only by themselves. They come other side for barefoot and we get for support struggle. So don't cross that small bridge. I just block the number, the number where I will send the money. That time if you don't leave me, I go. So I go now. So after now they started call me. They threaten me say I block that number. Say they'll find me, they will burn my house, they will kill all man from my house. Any man will do whether I walk man or an animal, they will come for they can kill all man. Talk say they will see whether small cause.
So now here, even the soldier they picking the way they do that kidnapping, then say they talk say they will see whether the ADF, the general, they forces them for they will protect that civilian. So this kidnapping, the way we the experience of Bamenda, get nothing to do with the Ambazonian forces, them, the legitimate forces, the way they fight for liberate our struggle. They need to do those kidnapping for ransom. Now those armed gangs and where they come out, they can kidnap people them, including someone the way they come out right from Bafut. We don't talk plenty time. For Bamenda, they around Foya Junction, they you get real heavily armed guys them where they do this kidnapping for ransom. We don't do everything for stop them. The one the way be there for towards that side, even for Mundankwe, they will be done. Come for that thing, big numbers is be done ready come for they for come fight because it be done over too much for our civilian population, they're back.
They collect me 300,000. And then as they threaten me, so I just
So this particular case, now individual way it is stay for that for inside Bamenda will send force soldier or intelligence unit me come investigate. He investigates to take come meet you for house. No be person where you know he. No be person where ever see. No be even picking for inside Bamenda. For just tell now the disposition where the leadership they take them for make sure say me them protect the public when they did go through all this tough time. The public they sacrifice a lot for fight. This fight not be only military. We gonna not forget say Monday goes down now fight with civilian they put them for the independence. So we do everything. We need for separate criminal gangs where they kidnap people them for take money. Would even talk me people them protect their block against such kidnappings. And we so that they partner with those community them for help them for make sure say and we go make sure so we go catch this particular boy them. So make gonna be rest assured say the ADF, the Bamenda Brigade, the Ambazonian forces them legitimate one for they need to take kidnapping, they need to do the kidnapping, they are not behind this kidnapping. Kidnapping that be done by criminal gangs, criminal activity. They before the struggle, they could be after the struggle. We will only try for fight them as much as we can. You also get the Cameroon military way. Someone that not be saying an official policy that they use criminals them, use convict them for prison for do kidnapping for ransom. You get the one the way even worse when at the Cameroon military that they do them for political reason as counter operation for our activity then for turn population against we. So that one it be more sophisticated because then sometimes they even use some former soldiers the way they don't go surrender for that DDC center and they used to target people then. Previously it be do end for phone call where they call community leaders like pastors, like big business people they then popular for quarter where they know say when they call you, they threaten you, you go make that population they go start begin hate the revolution. It then move into one where they really can pick up people them for do all this type of things them. So make the population them be informed. Say the Ambazonian Bamenda Brigade and our Ambazonian forces all across the 13 states, they are focused to liberate. Now picking them for that very community, it don't make sense for any man, any of them, for risk their life, for then can turn back against that same community. Most of the boys them way they actually fight now for revenge activity them for Cameroon military against their community. So make we stand fine. We defend our revolution in integrity. Every time with this fake news that they come out, fake audios, create all type of scenario about our activity then for Ground Zero. We stand with the people. Our code of conduct ban and any person we commit kidnapping for ransom will be sanctioned. We will not hide it. We will not hide criminals. We will sanction them. God bless you. This is the Deputy Defense Chief of the ADF.